If your skin has been looking dull, uneven, or just lacking that healthy glow, this is the serum that brings it back to life. EQUALBERRY's Vitamin Illuminating Serum combines 40% of an extract known as the king of vitamin C. You'll also get a powerful brightening boost, and this serum helps to fade dark spots and also revive tired-looking skin. The hyaluronic acid pulls in deep hydration, giving your skin that plump, dewy finish, while vitamin E adds antioxidant protection to keep your glow lasting all day. The formula is lightweight, fast absorbing, and gentle enough for sensitive skin, making it perfect for daily use in any routine. With consistent use, you'll notice fewer dark spots, a more even complexion, and a natural lit from within brightness that feels effortless. If you want this skincare serum that truly transforms dull skin into radiant, healthy looking skin, this one definitely delivers results you can see and feel. Check out the link in the description box or simply scan the QR code. Like, comment, and subscribe for more Amazon finds.